Hey you guys, we're here today at Costco in Hayward/Union City. I don't really know what city we're in right now.
California.
We have Fetty Potter and Uzi Walker here to do Skate Everything Wars Costco Edition 2.0. But this is Skate Everything Wars with a twist. So if you checked into our Best Buy episode that was completely corrupted, the footage was insane, but we had to bring the video out because we enjoyed it a lot. So basically the new rules for Skate Everything Wars improved is that we have two people choosing one object. So we go in there as a collective unit, try to pick the best object that lasts as long as it possibly can. With no fans. So basically the last episode, we'll put a clip in right here, was a complete failure.
Our best build ever. That's already falling apart. Braille's shortest video in all history.
Is it still skatable? Let's find out. We spent time choosing an object that just broke in 5 seconds. So today we're really gonna try to find an object that lasts, and then these two are gonna play a game of full park skate on
Even
it.
if it's a cutting board.
As long as it lasts. So we're gonna go in there. I'm gonna hope we can get past the entrance without getting spotted and or arrested. Oh my gosh, they have fans. All right, Dan, we made it. Oh no, no Dan. It's the dang music playing refrigerator again.
Oh, no, copyright.
Hey, I feel like we've done that before.
Oh yeah, that looks familiar.
Oh, all right. Let me know when you find something to skate.
Dude, Costco is just like the most expansive store. We're safe. We have a kid over there singing Baby Shark and we just got demonetized and our entire channel just got deleted. Oh my gosh. Los Litos.
Is that a glass door? 8mm thick tempered glass.
If you guys want to see us skate a tempered glass door, leave it in the comment below.
Costco seems all nice and friendly. They distract you with the food at ground level, but if you look up, all this stuff could fall on you.
Organic coconut clusters. Guys, try some.
It smells really good. It's gonna die. Oh my goodness gracious, that is delicious. Can I have another one?
Yeah.
I'm not like the biggest fan of coconut, but right there is amazing.
That's really good.
All right, we need to focus. Oh, hey, remember this? All I can think about are the coconut clusters.
I know, same.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, we have a ham down. The weirdest thing I've said last night, I want to die by a French baguette. I said that last night.
Hey, we should get this.
Dan, I can't believe you'd even suggest that.
Look, it looks way more solid. Gotta pick something before we get kicked out. I like this thing.
A Baby Shark.
Jeez. Well, at least it looks like it'll keep a child safe.
What is it? What's the second part of it? I don't get it. It's a one-in-one.
It's a vacuum and it's a sealer.
It comes with the bags, that's why.
Wait, how are you guys gonna skate this?
Bagger.
Are you sure this is even gonna last? I feel it in the back.
Well, there's a hole back there to vacuum seal.
You're better off just getting a good quality toaster.
No, I want to do the vacuum sealer. Look
I
at
want to use it.
it says moist.
They just want to vacuum seal a wheel.
Yes.
A wheel?
Hey, wait, hold up.
I mean, if you guys want
That
to
is
do
not real corn. That's like a
Oh my
printout.
if you guys can have some quality entertainment vacuum sealing some stuff, I
Yeah.
will allow you guys to get this. How much
Let's
is it?
139.
Oh my god, the stuff we spend money
Let's
on.
vacuum
it's just
seal something that
ridiculous.
will make Nigel angry, like a skate tool.
Oh yeah,
Oh, yes.
dude, let's
phone-
vacuum seal the drill.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna.
I mean,
this.
We're gonna go with the vacuum sealer.
yes.
Okay. His keyboard
mouse.
or his mouse.
His mouse.
He'd be like, Nigel, you know, we're just trying to keep it clean.
Yeah, that's
Do
okay.
it and then put it back where it goes. So then he goes to use
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
It's like-
Just a vacuum sealed mouse where his mouth is.
Well, let's go get some coconut clusters and then we'll go on to the next store.
All right, hey, Fetty, we gotta hurry.
Yeah! The thing is, we wanted to skate this. What is this called? Vacuum sealer? So we wanted to skate this, but the main thing we wanted to do was bully Nigel. So basically, Courtney came here and then he went to go get lunch at In-N-Out. So we have a very short window, actually a long window, because In-N-Out is always crowded.
We got bags.
Oh, it doesn't smell good. So we have a pretty decent window to get some of Nigel's prized belongings and go ahead and wrap them up. So let's see what we can do here. It's very dark back here. I think we're gonna steal his keyboard and mouse for sure. All right, we'll start with this.
Will that fit?
Are you sure? You might get.
No, it does, dude. It doesn't go in there.
Yeah.
Where's the I figured it out. I figured it out.
Pull bag material to edge for first seal. Oh, you have to seal, like this is the bottom. So you have to seal the bottom and then put something, you cut it and put something in there again? I don't know. Should we put something in there first? Okay, let's just do this. Sorry.
Dan, you're freaking out. You need to calm down.
We have plenty of time. Take your time.
Calm down,
All right.
Dan.
Seal.
Seal. Did it work? Oh, it worked. So now we pull it out. Cut.
Okay, that's perfect.
Oh.
Now we
Now put the keyboard.
keyboard.
I think we could fit the drill in there.
We put this here.
You need to make sure it's in this vacuum area. There you go. Oh wait, dude, no! Oh no! Dude, all the buttons are pressing. I told you we did it.
I forgot.
Oh yeah! It's got to be enough right there. Mm-hmm. Seal it. Oh. We vacuum sealed his keyboard and it flattened all the buttons out at once. This is his drill?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Hello, Carlos.
What the hell are you guys doing now?
Look.
I gotta film.
It's glitching out the computer.
Let's do the drill. Oh, yes. 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 Don't pop it. Please don't pop it. Oh, yeah. Oh, dang.
Oh wait, it's mine.
Keep sucking.
The drill's gonna stay fresh forever. Feel that.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
Do we have to skate it?
We'll put it by his desk. The speed gun. The speed gun. Let's go. He's going to be so mad. A whole skateboard? Yeah. All right, let's go, guys. We can do this.
You got enough?
Yeah, we're good.
Since we're a little April Fool's late, this is really big, so it's gonna take a long time. If we...
What?
Oh, he's here.
Distract him.
We gotta put just a regular board, no trucks, and then we drill trucks.
You should not even skate this and just vacuum seal the board and play a regular game of skate with a vacuum sealed deck.
But we don't have enough, more of this.
Oh, we're out?
Yeah, we're out of the roll.
This is what they should start doing to Walmart boards.
That is sealed. His board has never been more clean.
True.
Please work.
Double seal. Seal it again. Come on, baby. Seal!
Okay.
It's like half sealed.
It's good enough. Oh, he's gonna be so upset.
It's just so satisfying. I don't want to skate it now. Yeah. I just want to.
Oh. Wow. Hi, Nigel. We love you.
What are you doing? If you messed up something of mine, I swear I'm gonna destroy all you guys'
I
lives.
love you, Nigel.
What'd you do?
Nothing.
What did you do?
Nothing.
Did you guys throw my board somewhere?
No, it's right in front of your eyes.
Is that my board plastic wrapped and sealed?
I wonder how fast you're going. 8,
Oh.
8, 8, wow.
You should probably go check out your area.
I swear on everything I love, if you messed up everything back there, you guys poke me like I'm some nice fluffy dog. And really, I'm a Wolverine. Sandra, why'd you let him back here? You should have been throwing bows. Like, get out.
If I were you, I'd go unwrap that keyboard because it's all the buttons have been pressing for the last 5 minutes.
Dude! My keyboard was already messed up. If it's more messed up,
It's the best thing ever. Oh! That was the most satisfying thing I've ever seen.
Just released.
Yeah. I'm gonna continue vacuum sealing stuff. Woo! Karma has struck. Well, now you guys can actually skate it like we were supposed to. That's solid, dude.
We didn't even get to try out the moist. That's the main frame he just broke. Wait,
How does it feel?
it's lopsided.
All right, so Carlos, you're an addition to the game. You'd like to join.
Carlitos has entered the chat.
Oh, we broke the moister!
A game of SK8 full park.
Russian bow.
Well, that was
You
cheating.
still lost.
You guys went first.
You still lost.
Fetty is first, Carlos is second, Uzi's third. Let's see if we can make this thing last without shooting it with the crossbow again.
Living like Uzi. Monster flip.
Already?
I'm gonna test the wire. I'm just gonna do what we usually do and not go for flips right off the back. I'm gonna ride down the bank. Oh no. Okay.
It's like riding constant primo.
Oh no.
I've never heard Carlos make that sound before. He went,
If Carlos can't ride down a bank, gives you a perspective of how hard it is to actually skate this thing.
I'm here to seal the deal.
If Carlos can't ride down a bank on it, it's looking good for me.
it was actually surprisingly close. Oh man, this game's gonna be tough.
That's not good. What do you do?
That was hilarious.
Oh no, the moisture. Count it. Very well done. Oh, he's gone.
Game over. Subscribe, comment.
Signed, sealed, delivers.
How have you been around for so long that you still don't know that it's subscribe, like, and leave a comment below?
It's a lot harder than it looks, dude.
Good luck, Uzi.
This ain't Denny's. I ain't trying to get a grand slam.
That is an S for Uzi.
Uzi starts with a U.
What?
That's what I look like when I did it.
Yeah,
It's hilarious, dude.
but a lot smaller.
A niche?
Oh no.
We lost the
He
panel.
lost his liver.
You can see the moist machine.
The inner
Oh, hell.
workings of a moisture
Oh, it's like rubber.
machine.
Oh, it's rubber. I don't know why I jumped in on this one. I didn't think it was gonna be that hard, dude.
Told you.
This is definitely the hardest thing that I've ever tried to skate.
I'll allow it. Good.
Everyone balance on this way better than I can.
It's because you can't balance on a regular skateboard, Uzi.
Yeah.
E. Z.
Dude, wow.
Got it.
Oh no! I don't want to hit that part of my back right now.
The inner workings of this thing are a meat grinder. Put my hand in there and almost chopped them off.
Wow. You know what? Before it gets broken here, we're gonna try tray flip.
And I stepped on your hand, I'm sorry.
I know what he's doing. I see it in his toes.
Oh, you hit the lip.
Groundbreaking maneuver I'm about to perform. Feast your eyes.
I'll allow that. Oh man, that's a K for Carlos, S for Petty, and S for Uzi.
Carlos starts with a C, not a K.
Do it one more time.
Take me out of my misery.
Oh yeah.
Touch me.
No.
Alright.
All right, there you go. Now it's a K.
I'll take it.
There you go. Oh yeah. Oh. So everyone is on their last letter, and now the fatalities are coming. All right, you show them how it's done.
Alright.
The battle of the mini ramp now.
Yep.
Oh, that counts. It's all right, man. You did good. All right, Petty, you got one more try. Oh no!
Oh my gosh. Jeez.
Fetty's going full destructo mode on that thing right now. But Carlos is the winner, and it wasn't even his game. But it's all good. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and click them, check them out. Enjoy them, subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And we'll see you in tomorrow's video. You guys are the best.